Front page. Learning about the following points: web pages and websites, the front page environment, creating a new web page, formatting a web page. Hello students. The World Wide Web is a huge network of linked web pages. As you surf the net, you move from one web page to another by clicking on hypertext. Hypertext refers to the text which links one web page to another by means of hyperlinks. The World Wide Web is made up innumerable websites. A website is a collection of linked web pages, images, videos related to each other by a particular topic. A website is hosted on a web server and is accessible by the Internet. The term web server refers to the computer on the Internet which stores the website as well as the software which runs these systems. A website could be created by an individual or by a business organization for a particular purpose. Web pages are documents written in HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. One can create a web page by using HTML coding. This is a long and tedious process. An easier way of creating professional-looking websites is to use special software known as web authoring software. MS FrontPage and Macromedia Dreamweaver are two popular WYSIWYG. That is, what you see is what you get software for web creation where the site is edited using a graphical user interface, that is UI, and the underlying HTML code is generated automatically. While flipping through the pages of a magazine, it is only the interesting pages which hold our attention. Similarly, while creating a website, we must keep in mind that the web pages must catch and hold the attention of the person surfing the Internet. Every web page has a main page or index page called the home page. This page acts as a gateway to the website and has links to all the other pages in the website. The home page is normally the first page one creates. There should not be too much text on a web page or it will look very dull. Web page should not be too long either. It is better to give the information in the form of hyperlinks so that the user can choose what he wants to read. Images, graphics, and animations make a web page look attractive. But too many such elements make a page slow in downloading. Hence, the elements in the web page should be properly balanced. MS FrontPage is the web authoring program from the MS Office suite of applications. It is easy to use and it allows one to easily create professional-looking websites. Getting to front page. Click Start, then go to Programs and then Microsoft Front Page. The Front Page program windows opens up. On the right side of the front page window, you see the task pane. In case the task pane is not visible, you can bring it on the window by clicking View menu and then Task Views pane. The left side of the front page window has the Views pane. The icons in the Views pane offers us various ways of looking at a website. Let us study about the different views in the Views pane. Page view. The page view is to view the pages of the website. The page view has 3 tabs at the bottom of the screen which offers 3 modes of viewing the pages. Normal, HTML, and Preview. Normal. This mode is used to create the web page. It allows you to enter text and graphics. HTML. In this view, we can see the HTML code of the page. We can make changes in the HTML coding here and preview the changes in the preview mode. Preview. This view shows how your page will be viewed in a browser like the Internet Explorer. No editing can be done in this view. Folders view. The folders view is split into two panels. On the left is the folders list, which shows you the list of folders inside the website. On selecting a folder from the left pane, the right pane gives you detailed information of the files inside. Reports view. The reports view gives you the exact status of your website, such as the names of the files, their size in kilobytes, modified date, etc. Navigation view. The navigation view helps you to define the structure of the website and shows you the links between the files of the website. Task view. Maintaining a website is an ongoing process where a number of tasks have to be monitored. The task view helps you to keep track of the jobs to be done. Let us see how to create a web page for a school. Creating a new web page. To create a new web page, you could start from a blank page or use a page template from the front page collection of page templates. To create a new blank page, click on Create a new normal page on the standard toolbar, or click on Blank Page in the task pane. A new blank page opens up. To create a page from the template, in the task pane, 1. Click on Page Template in the New Form Template section. 2. The Page Templates dialog box opens up. Here in the General tab, select any template of your choice. Entering text to your web page. To add text to your web page, place the cursor anywhere on the front page work area in the normal view and start typing. Adding color and style to your web pages. Formatting the text. To make your web page look attractive, format the text by using the buttons on the standard toolbar. Or 1. Select the text. 2. Right-click the mouse button. Click Font from the shortcut menu. The font dialog box appears and format the text. To give a heading to your web page. The Style drop-down menu in the left-hand corner of the formatting toolbar gives you an easy way to format your text. It offers you a selection of standard sizes of fonts for web page elements such as headings. To create a heading, follow these steps. 1. Type out the heading using any desired font style. 2. Place the cursor next to the text and click on the arrow of the Style drop-down menu. 3. Select a heading size. There are 6 heading sizes available. The text will take the specified size. Or you could also first select a heading size from the Style drop-down menu and then type out the text. Inserting a horizontal line. To insert a horizontal line, 1. Place the cursor where the line is to be inserted. 2. Click Insert menu and then go to Horizontal line. 3. The line is inserted. To format the line, 1. Select the line. 2. Right-click the mouse. 3. Choose Horizontal Line Properties from the shortcut menu. 4. The Horizontal Line Properties dialog box appears. Here you can change the line width, height, alignment and color. Applying backgrounds. A colorful background adds a lot to enhance the look of a web page. To add a background, follow these steps. Click Format menu and then go to Background, and then the Page Properties window appears. Or right-click anywhere on the Page Properties window appears. You can set the background for your page here. Applying themes. A theme is a predefined format which can be used to design any document or web page. MS Front Page offers us a collection of these to choose from. Depending upon the topic of your website, you can choose a suitable theme. To apply a theme to your page, 1. Click Format menu and then go to Theme. 2. The Themes dialog box appears. From the scrolling menu on the left-hand side of the dialog box, select a theme. You can see the corresponding theme effects appearing on the right-hand side. 3. Also specify if you want the theme to be applied to all the slides or to the selected slide. Inserting a marquee. A marquee is the text which continuously scrolls on a web page. It is used to display a line of text prominently. To insert a marquee, 1. Place the cursor where you want to add the marquee. 2. Click Insert menu and then go to Web Components. The Insert Web Component dialog box appears. 4. From Choose an Effect, select Marquee. 5. Click Finish. 6. The Marquee Properties dialog box appears. 7. Enter the text you want as a marquee. In the Marquee Properties dialog box, you can specify the following features: the direction in which the text should scroll, left or right, the speed with which it should move, the behavior, scroll, slide, alternate, the width and height of the marquee. If you want the marquee to scroll continuously, the background color of the marquee can be selected from the drop-down palette of the background color. Editing an existing marquee. To make changes in the marquee you have created, double-click the marquee to open the Marquee Properties dialog box. Inserting images. You can insert pictures in your web pages from the Clip Art gallery. You could also download images from the internet and insert them into your web page. To add images from Clip Art, do as follows. 1. Click Insert menu and then go to Picture and then Clip Art. 2. The Insert Clip Art taskbar appears. Under Search, enter a keyword for the image you are searching. 4. Click Search. The task pane will now display the results of your search. 5. Double-click on the image you want to insert. The image is inserted in your page. Resizing the image. The picture inserted into a web page can be resized so as to fit well into your web page. Click the image. 6 small black squares appear around the image. You can use these squares to resize the image manually. Use the diagonally placed squares to adjust the size uniformly using the Picture Properties dialog box. Double-click the image to get the Picture Properties dialog box. The Wrapping Style section in the Appearances tab has 3 options. None. This option does not allow text or other page elements to wrap around the selected picture. No text can be written adjacent to the picture. Left. This option aligns the image to the left of the page and then the text will wrap around to the right side of the picture. Right. This option aligns the image to the right of the page and the text will wrap to the left of the picture. The layout section allows you to change the alignment, border thickness and size of the image. The picture toolbar. Clicking on the picture makes the picture toolbar visible. This toolbar has buttons which enable you to format it in various ways. Text, rotate, flip, contrast, brightness, crop. The text button lets you add text to an image placed on the web page. The rotate left, rotate right, flip vertical, flip horizontal buttons can be used to rotate the picture. The more contrast, less contrast, more brightness, left brightness buttons are very useful in making a dark picture brighter or adding more contrast to the image. The crop tool can be used to cut the image to the size required by you. Cropping an image is unlike resizing an image. Once you have altered the size of an image by the crop tool, it cannot be got back to the original size. Creating list. Bulleted or numbered lists are used very often in web pages. To create a list, follow these steps. Click the Style drop-down menu in the left-hand corner of the formatting toolbar. 2. Select bulleted list or numbered list as you require. 3. Click the Format menu, Bullets and Numbering and select a list style as desired. 4. Type out the text. Press Enter at the end of each line of text. The list will be created. A website is made up of a number of web pages. The home page acts like the gateway to the website and is generally linked to the other pages. Each page linked to the web page generally has link back to the home page. The home page of a website is usually given the name index.html. Summary. A website is a collection of linked web pages, images, and videos hosted on a web server and accessible by the internet. To create a website, we need special software known as web authoring software, such as FrontPage. Every web page has a main page or index page called the home page. Too many elements on a web page make it slow in downloading. The Picture Properties dialog box allows you to format the image inserted in your web page. And that is all in this lesson, student. Learning is fun, so keep learning.